Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how can you create your own Windows RDP server completely free of charges. Yeah, you heard right. You won't need to spend any single penny for that, and also you don't require any credit or debit card to create the account, because the company is providing us a free trial to upgrade their services. So let's get started, and if you are new to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and touch the bell icon so you never miss any update from my channel. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to open this website. It's called noise.de. The website is running from last 10 years, so it's trusted, and I'll give the website link in the description and the comment pin so you can check it out and open this website. So after that, we need to click here VPS free 7 days trial, because the company is providing a free trial for 7 days without any credit or debit card. Yeah, so after that we need to scroll it out, and here you will see two options, LX1 SSD and KVM1 SSD. Both are almost same, but best seller is KVM1 SSD. And here you will get 1 core CPU, 2 GB of RAM, 20 GB of SSD, and 7 days of free trial. After that you can upgrade it into paid if you need it. So here we will get two options, SSD or HDD, because in HDD we will get 40 GB of space instead of if you are going with SSD. So here we will get only 20 GB of space. So if you need more space you can select HDD, but currently I'm going with SSD. So here we need to select the Windows operating system. So here are two editions, like Windows 2022 and Windows 2019. So I'm going with 2019 because it's old and it's completely free. Okay, so that's it. Here you don't need to do anything, just click on add to cart. So we will add that product in our cart. So let's check it. So yeah, currently the product cost is completely €0, and you need to scroll down. Here we don't need to do anything, just so click on checkout and click on create an account, because currently we don't have account on this website. So you need to enter your email and password over here. It's completely new, and after that you need to select your country. Currently I'm from India, so I'm selecting India, and you need to check out these three options and click on create account. Okay, so the website is little bit slow, so you can ignore it, maybe because of my internet or anything else. So yeah, we are here, and the website, the product cost is completely zero. We need to check these three options before confirming our accounts. It's terms, condition, data and privacy, and third is the contract. Okay, so click on here and check out. So after that we need to verify our mobile number and email ID. So currently we will get email from the company, so just click on the verify our email and it's verify your email address. Our email is now verified. Okay, so now we need to complete our purchasing, like we are purchasing that free product. So again we need to check our cart and click on complete order. So again we redirect to the same page. After that we need to confirm and check these three options and click on checkout. So now we need to complete the verification process, and now we need to verify our mobile number over here. So first of all we need to select our country. Currently I'm from India, so I'm selecting +91. If you are from US, so you can select +1, and if you are from any other country, so you can select this according to your country. So currently I am filling our mobile number over here and click on call now. So the company is calling on our mobile number. Let's pick it out. So we need to enter these code over the call, so company can verify that we are the same person that creating the account on that company. So just press and accept the call and press 362973. Okay, it's verifying now. Again we need to press 362973. So currently they are verifying. Okay, so it's redirecting now, and our account is completely verified now, and we will get the free RDP over Window VPS Server over here. So it's going to expire in next 6 days, because the 7 days is currently running. So currently they provide 6 days trial. Okay, so here we will get multiple option over here, like our IP address, 6 days to expire, our overview, web interface, finance add-on, redeem voucher, and all. So first of all we need to start the server, so we need to click on start server. Okay, here are multiple options like start, stop, shutdown, reinstall, no VNC. So we need to click on start to start our machine. So machine is started. We need to wait for a few seconds. After that we will get two options over here, like if you want to connect using Windows, so you can use these credentials, and if you want to connect by Linux, so you can use this condition. Okay, so currently we are going with Windows because we choose the Windows 2019 data server. So let's try to connect it. First we need to open the remote desktop connection on our computer so now we need the IP address of our server. So you need to copy the IP address and paste it over here and click on connect. After that we need the username and the password. The username is administrator, so you need to copy and paste it over here, or you can type it over here. And after that we need to copy the password and paste it over here. Okay, now click on connect and click on yes. After that they are connecting our server with our local computer, so we need to wait for almost 30 seconds. So we are done, and we create a completely free Windows RDP server without any charges, without any credit or debit card. Let me show you the specification of the system. So we need to press Windows plus R. So let me show you the system specification of the server. Click on Windows plus R, type TXTIAZ and click on yes. And here we will see the operating system and other details, like the CPU is E52690V2, 3 GHz of the CPU, 2 GB of the RAM, and if we call about the language, it's called Dutch, maybe German language. And the other specification, if I tell you, here you will not get any graphic or graphic memory, so it's a completely basic system to browsing and do anything. If you need any higher versions, okay, you can upgrade it. So that's it in the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the like button and touch the subscribe button so you never miss any update from my channel. And if you want to know anything else, you can comment it on the comment box. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.